Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today I'm just gonna chatty and sit down video. I just wanna rambling about self-love stuff. So let's get started. First I'm gonna put some foundation. I don't know why I wanna talk about self-love. These days it's kind of hard to love myself and love my life. I'm so exhausted after working and just so stressed out. I know I cannot define myself by jobs, but I don't feel good with myself. There were so many customers at the store I worked. I worked at a clothing store. So after that, just exhausted and tired, cried. I always do my best to love myself, although I'm not perfect. I mean, who's perfect? Apply all my foundation on my face. So I just want to write down all my information about self-love on my blog. I started the blog. I put the link in the description box. Why I'm interested in self-love? The first reason is that I'm just sick of people telling me that I'm not enough. My parents, society, television, I'm not enough because I don't meet their expectations and they try to change me according to what they want. I'm just sick of that feeling, and they told me like, you are wrong because you don't do that. I have some freedom to who wanna be. You're not pretty enough, smart enough. The resume told me you are not qualified. My parents told me, oh, you are not enough. And after hearing that, I feel really bad about myself and hate myself. I just hate that feeling. So that's the reason why I'm interested in self-love. So I just watched a lot of self-love stuff on YouTube. So by the experiences, I learned that the only person who support me, who love me, is only me. Others can help you feel loved and feel good about yourself, but that doesn't work every time, but you are always with you. That's the reason why I decide love myself, love my life as possible as I can. Sometimes I'm sick of my own little struggles. That makes me depressed, but I want to be productive because I love that feeling. And the other reason is that I'm just sick of being jealousy. Whenever I watch YouTube videos, Instagram, people who have perfect life according to my values, people having things I want but I don't have now, I'm really jealous, and that feeling sucks. I try to do my best to be the best version of myself and to better myself. For that reason, I use the energy of being jealousy to build up myself. I started watch YouTube videos like about 7 or 8 years ago because I want to learn many like beauty, fashion stuff, and also want to improve my English. Whenever I see their like blog posts and contents, I feel really jealous and want to be and do the same thing. I'm not pretty enough to do that. I'm not rich enough. I feel just not good. So that's one of the reasons why I started my YouTube channel. Blush done, and it's time to do eye makeup. I'm gonna apply bronze casting color anyway. Oh, I want to love my life better, love myself more, but things doesn't work well. What should I do? Journey. So people hurt you, some shitty situation happens to you and you feel shitty, make you feel like shit. You are not a shit. I mean, I cannot satisfy all people because people have set a different expectation for you. Although you don't meet that, don't feel guilt about that. If you are still improving and doing that consistently, that's enough, because you can only know how improved you are. They just see you, but you can feel you. Yeah, I'm gonna put some eyeliner. The way I love myself is think positive as possible as I can and building up good habits. The best thing is taking care of yourself. Don't too much put yourself a lot. Yeah, I really want to build up something on my thing, so I'm doing my best to make my channel grow. And I also start to write vlog, I told you, so you can check out the link in the description box. And I really want to improve my English ability as possible as I can in daily life, because I want to explain and talk about things in English to many people as possible as I can through the internet. It's time to do some eyebrow. I don't know, I feel like nobody supports me these days, so I really appreciate that somebody give me a good comment on my YouTube channel. So thank you for supporting all the people. Yeah, almost done. I don't know how people spend their free time, but I really need my own time. And follow your gut. Many people don't get me, but that's pretty okay. Everybody cannot understand you, love you, support you. That's pretty okay, because I'm always support. love myself, and my everyday makeup. Sometimes I do underline too. I'm gonna put some Vaseline. Then it's kind of rumble, but hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know and comment down below what's the definition of self-love to you and what kind of things you do for loving yourself. Thanks for watching it and have a great, wonderful day. Bye!